Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something most people struggle with, even when they don't realize it. If you've ever wondered why your bank account isn't growing as fast as it should, or why you feel like money just disappears, this video is for you. These are 10 habits that are quietly keeping you broke, and more importantly, how to break them. Let's get straight into it. Habit number 1, spending without tracking anything. This is the silent killer of financial goals. Most people don't intentionally overspend, they just have no idea where their money is going. Small purchases add up, random subscriptions add up, impulse buys add up, and suddenly your paycheck is gone. You don't need a complicated system. A simple budgeting app or even the Notes app on your phone can show you exactly where your money leaks are. What you track, you can control. Habit number 2, lifestyle creep. This happens when your income goes up, but so does your spending. You get a raise, and suddenly you deserve a nicer car, new clothes, better vacations. But if every time you earn more, you immediately spend more, you'll stay stuck in the same financial place. Instead, keep your lifestyle steady and let the difference between your old paycheck and your new paycheck build savings or investments. That's how you actually get ahead. Habit number 3, emotional and impulse spending. Bad day, you buy something. Good day, you buy something. Bored, you buy something. Retail therapy is one of the biggest traps. Companies design their stores, apps, and ads to make you spend without thinking. Before you buy anything, ask, do I want this or am I trying to feel better? If it's the second one, walk away for 24 hours. Most of the time, you won't even want it the next day. Habit number 4, dining out too often. One restaurant meal can cost the same as a week of groceries. Eating out isn't bad, just not every day. A $12 lunch doesn't seem like much until you realize that's $60 a week, $240 a month, almost $3,000 a year. Cooking at home even half the time can save you thousands with almost zero effort. Habit number 5, paying for subscriptions you don't use. Gym memberships, streaming services, cloud storage, apps, you name it. Companies love subscriptions because you forget you have them. Take 10 minutes once a month and look at your recurring charges. Cancel anything you wouldn't miss if it disappeared. You'll be shocked how many you don't even remember signing up for. Habit number 6, buying cheap instead of buying smart. The cheapest option often becomes the most expensive. Cheap shoes wear out faster, cheap electronics break, cheap tools need replacing. Instead of buying the lowest price, buy the best value, something that lasts. It costs more upfront, but saves you far more over time. Habit number 7, avoiding financial education. Many people think money is complicated, so they avoid learning about it. But here's the truth. The less you understand money, the easier it is to lose it. You don't need to become a financial expert, just learn the basics: budgeting, saving, interest, credit, and investing. A few hours of learning can save you thousands of dollars every year. Habit number 8, not having an emergency fund. Life happens. Cars break, medical bills appear, jobs change. If you don't have savings, the smallest emergency can push you into debt. Even saving a little at a time helps. Aim for 1 month of expenses first, then 3, then 6. An emergency fund isn't optional, it's a financial safety net. Habit number 9, trying to impress people. A lot of people stay broke because they're buying things they don't need to impress people who don't care. The fancy car, new clothes every week, the latest phone, none of that brings real financial peace. Wealth is quiet. Showing off is expensive. Once you stop caring what other people think, you start saving real money. Habit number 10, saying, I'll start later. This is one of the biggest reasons people stay broke. I'll start budgeting next month. I'll save when I make more. I'll invest when the timing is right. Spoiler, there is no perfect time. Small steps today beat giant steps that never happen. Start with what you have right now. So, those are the 10 habits that are keeping you broke. The truth is, financial success isn't about luck or having a huge income. It's about controlling your habits one at a time. If you can break even 2 or 3 of these habits starting today, you'll be way ahead of most people. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which habit you're going to fix first. Until next time, take control of your money before it controls you.